Activist Bongosi Kanyile has been taken into custody after failing to appear in the Durban Magistrates Court on Monday for the start of his trial linked to the July 2021 unrest in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. Kanyile, who was scheduled to stand trial for his alleged role in the violent protest and looting that gripped parts of the country, did not provide any reasons for his absence. The National Prosecuting Authority in KwaZulu-Natal confirmed his arrest. The NPA spokesperson Natasha Ramkisson-Kara said he was kept in custody after he failed to show up in court and had not communicated any reasons for his absence. In a cryptic post on X app on Tuesday, Kanyile appeared to bid farewell, writing a message that hinted at finality. He also reaffirmed his stance on the 2021 unrest, stating that he had no regrets about his involvement. Kanyile has been a vocal and controversial figure in South African activism, previously facing legal battles related to protest actions. His latest arrest marks another chapter in the ongoing legal proceedings against individuals accused of inciting or participating in the July 2021 riots, which left widespread destruction in their wake. Further details on his legal fate are expected in the coming days. On the other hand, former Skeem Saam actress Pearl Nicolic has officially joined the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. Pearl, widely recognized for her role as Sonti in the popular educational telenovela, announced her political move on Instagram, sharing her enthusiasm for becoming a voice for change. In her post, she quoted Mahatma Gandhi, saying, "You must be the change you wish to see in the world. When you blame others, you give up your power to change." Her decision to enter politics comes after making headlines in 2023 when she revealed that she had answered her calling to become a pastor. Now she's embracing her new path in public service, expressing her commitment to serving South Africans under the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party's leadership. The party, which has been steadily gaining support ahead of and following the 2024 elections, has attracted a significant number of new members, including high-profile figures. Pearl's announcement was met with an outpouring of congratulatory messages from her supporters, many of whom applauded her dedication to be making a difference. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.